HIKVISION AX Hybrid Pro Kit, Unboxing and Demonstration. HIKVISION's innovations in intrusion protection have reached a new stage with the launch of our next-generation AX Hybrid Pro alarm system. Inheriting the elegant design of the original AX Pro and embedded with cutting-edge technologies, the AX Hybrid Pro series offers the combination of reliable wired protection while delivering expanded flexibility with seamless wireless integration, catering to the more complicated needs of home and business scenarios. The AX Hybrid Pro series is designed to protect small shops, offices, and residential buildings from theft, robbery, fire, and flooding, with instant and visual alarm verification for real assurance. Long transmission distance. Use expanders to continue extending the distance. The triple signal detector is working normally. In the cascade connection topology mode, the wiring distance can extend to up to 5,400 meters. High transmission speed. Connect a wired PERCOM detector to the system. Hik-Connect mobile app is used to arm the alarm system. The test person enters the detection range of the detector alarms. Hik-Connect receives alarm notifications immediately. You can view the 1080p HD photos to verify the event. HIKVISION AX Hybrid Pro Kit, expanded flexibility with great performance. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.